Creating pottery by hand is a rewarding and creative process. Here's a basic guide to help you get started with making handmade pottery. Clay. Choose a type of clay suitable for your project. Common types include earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Pottery wheel or hand-building tools. Depending on your preference, you can use a pottery wheel for wheel throwing or hand-building tools for creating pottery by hand. Work surface. Use a smooth, clean surface for hand building, and if using a wheel, ensure it's level and well maintained. Clay carving tools. These tools help you shape and carve your clay pieces. Kiln. A kiln is used for firing the pottery. If you don't have access to a kiln, consider using a pottery studio or community center. Basic steps for hand building. Prepare the clay. Knead the clay to remove air bubbles and make it more pliable. Cut or weigh the clay to the desired size for your project. Pinch pots. Create pinch pots by forming a ball of clay and using your fingers to pinch and shape it into a bowl or cup. Coil building. Roll out coils of clay and stack or coil them to build the walls of your piece. Shape and texture. Use carving tools, stamps, or other objects to add texture and shape to your pottery. Drying. Allow your piece to dry completely before firing. This may take several days to a week, depending on the size and thickness of your pottery. Bisque firing. Fire your dry pottery in a kiln to bisque temperature, around 1800 degrees Fahrenheit or 980 degrees Celsius. This removes any remaining moisture and prepares the pottery for glazing. Glazing. Apply glazes to your bisque-fired pottery. There are various techniques for glazing, including dipping, brushing, or spraying. Glaze firing. Fire the glazed pottery in the kiln to the appropriate temperature for the glazes used. Final result. Once the firing is complete and the pottery has cooled, you have your finished handmade piece.